Hey everyone, my name is Himanshu Mittal. I am a sales coach. I help people to become better at selling and achieve 10x sales revenue. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the reasons why your client is not buying. Most of the salespeople go to the client, they meet them, they give presentation, they give their 100%. But at the end of the day, they could not secure the sale. And the worst part is they don't know the reason why they could not get the sale. Sometimes client says, I'll get back to you. And most of the time, they do not hear anything back from their client. So today, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why your client is not buying. Irrespective of your industry, of your product, whether tangible, intangible, or services, you can see only 5 reasons your client is not buying. So let's not waste time and jump onto my screen. So number one reason is there is no need. When your client has no need, he will not buy. No matter how good your product is, no matter how good your company is, and no matter how good your presentation is. If there is no need, there are very less chances of this client to buy. Think of a situation when you are just moving around a road, moving down a road, and somebody just came in and just say, hey sir, would like to taste my food, would like to try these goggles. And what happens, you are not expecting him, right? And you not necessarily need it. When he tries to sell you, what happens, you avoid him. And this happens when you sell client, when you sell to somebody who don't need it and without prospecting. So here I want to make a point that you need to address the thing there is a need or not during prospecting. When you are prospecting, when you are qualifying your prospect, you need to find out is there any need or not. Otherwise, what would happen? You will end up wasting your time with the wrong prospect, wrong guy. So this is number one thing I want you to understand over here. Number two, the number two reason people don't buy is there is no desire. People buy either for need or they desire things. Most of the things people buy because they desire it, not they necessarily want it or need it. And if there is no desire, you cannot sell it. For example, somebody is buying a vacation. So he wants to go to a holiday, right? Some foreign trip. And if there is no desire, there are very less chances to get this sale. Now, as a salesperson, what you could do? You could create the desire, right? You could create the desire on the base of appearance, on the base of some offers, on price, terms of delivery, something like that. If you can make other people feel good while using your product, if you can make them feel using your product and feeling good while they are just talking with you, then you are able to create the desire in their mind, and you have more chances to get the sale. So this is number two thing you have to do in your sale. And if there is no need, if there is no desire, yeah, there are very less chances that people would buy. Number three thing, what I want to make a point is there is no money with the client. Now here, I'm not saying that they don't have money in their pocket. If they don't have money in their pocket, then you should not be talking to them because this is not your prospect. Here, I want to say that they are not seeing the value in your product. Every time you're selling something, so client has a balance in his mind, so client is comparing the value of a product in comparison to the value of the money you are charging, right? And every time he would buy, the the value of the product should be higher than the money you are charging. If this is the case, yeah, he will buy. But if you are not able to present your product effectively, and if or he do not perceive the value like this, and he sees that the value of the product is lesser than the money I'm paying, yeah, this sale is not going to happen, or there are very less chances that this person will not buy. So as a salesperson, as a sales guy, this is your job to create a value proposition. You need to showcase the value, why the value of the product is much more than the price you are charging. And it's not about talking, it's about showing things. I hope you are getting the crux of the point. Number fourth reason. Number fourth reason is trust. There is no trust. Now, trust can be two parts in two ways. One, there is no trust on you, your company or product. This is one. Second is there is no trust on themselves. So if there is no trust on you, your company or product, you can show, you can tell them, you can give them proof, you can show them testimonials. But if there is no trust on themselves, let me give you example. Let's say you are selling some weight loss program and the client understand that your company is good, you are a right guy and your product will work. But he has seen his track record because in past he has tried many things for losing his weight, but he end up with failure. And he know that he has never been able to complete the course due to no tough exercises or some tight restriction on food. And so he don't trust himself that he can use your product. So this can be a major reason your client is not buying. And as a salesperson, your duty is to address this thing during your sales pitch, your presentation. You need to make him aware, you need to make him comfortable while talking to him and share how you're gonna help him using the product, right? So this is something you can do to avoid this fourth issue. Now, the fifth reason your client is not buying, that there is no urgency. Let's say your client says, all right, I have a need. Yeah, I have a desire, right? I have a need. I want to buy. Yeah, I can see the value in the product. And yeah, I trust myself and trust you. But the fifth point can be there is no urgency. Yeah, everything is good, Himanshu, but I will buy after 3 months, after 6 months. Now, this can be scary for you because you don't want to delay the sale. When you add time in the sale, you lose the sale. And it happens most of the times. So you have to create the urgency. This is your job. You need to show, you need to tell them why is it important for your client to buy it right away. Let's say your client says, I will buy after 3 months. Then tell them, in during this 3 months, what is the loss your client will bear while not using your product. This is your job, this is your homework, and this is you have to do. If you have any issue, you want my help, please comment below, please DM me, and I'll be more than happy to help you how to contact your client, how to overcome all those barriers in selling, and how to 10x your sales. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.